Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timmy God Gift. To those of you that have subscribed to this channel, I say thank you and welcome back. Now if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new content. Now you agree with me that the way we work these days, especially in the IT world, has changed drastically. Okay, these days a lot of persons work remotely. So as a Linux administrator, sometimes you'll be required to work remotely. So when this becomes the case, how do you connect to your system? Assuming you are in your house, how do you connect to your system? This is what we are going to be discussing today. Now, for those of you that have worked with Windows operating system, you know that for you to be able to connect remotely to your Windows operating system, you use a protocol known as the remote desktop connection or the remote desktop protocol, which requires you to input your IP address and then a certain username or password before you are able to connect. So it is with Linux operating system. If you are required to work remotely, from anywhere, to your Linux operating system, you will need to also connect remotely. Now, the desktop protocol that is required to connect to your Linux operating system is known as PUTTY Client. It's spelled P-U-T-T-Y. So let's head over to my screen while I show you how to download and install and then connect to your Linux machine remotely. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and then go ahead and type download PUTTY. Okay, and then click on this link and then you can see you can download PUTTY here. So go ahead and click here. Okay, and the next thing you want to choose is the 64-bit x86. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on this link. And you can see it's already downloaded to my machine. So I'll go ahead and click this now. And then click on next. Click on next. Okay, I'll try to add shortcuts to my desktop. And then click on install. This won't take any time, at least anywhere between 20-30 seconds, to 2 or 3 minutes. And then the installation process will be complete. So we'll stick around and then I'll have to pause this video for the installation to be complete. I'll resume the video once the installation is done. Thank you. Okay, so our installation is complete. So all we have to do is, well, I'll uncheck this because I don't need to view the README file, but if you want to go through it, you can just go ahead and leave this box checked. So I'll uncheck this and then click on finish. And then close this window. You can see our PUTTY is already installed. So I'll go ahead and double click to open the PUTTY. So this is where we are going to input our IP address. We already have a default port of 22. So we input our IP address and then go ahead and connect. But wait a minute, we do not have the IP address for this machine. So how do we get the IP address? I'll show you how to generate your IP address. Okay, so for you to be able to get your IP address, the first thing you want to do is ensure that your virtual machine is running. As you can see, mine is running already. So just go ahead and right click and open a new terminal. Okay, so on this terminal, type the command ifconfig and enter. And then just scroll up a bit, you'll see your network adapter Okay, on this second line, you see inet and you find your IP address here, 192.168.0.160. Okay, this is my own IP address for my machine. Yours might be slightly different. Okay, so I'll just copy this IP address here. I'll copy this IP address and then go to the PUTTY Client, okay, and paste it here. Now, another thing I can do is to save this connection so that I don't have to type my IP address the next time I want to connect again. So I'll just save it as test connect, okay, and I say open. Now, sometimes the first time you're trying to open a connection, you might get a security warning. Go ahead and click yes, it's normal. Okay, so it's asking me to log in as what? I'm going to log in as myself and enter. It's requesting for my password, so I'll go ahead and type my password. You can see I have been able to log in successfully. Okay, this is the same thing like if you are logging in from your GUI. Okay, but this time around I'm logging in from a remote desktop client, okay, known as the PUTTY Client. Okay, so I can type all my commands here, pwd print working directory, and it's showing in my home directory /home/t got gift. Okay, who am I? He gave me T got gift. Okay, and then I can type host name and it's showing me my Linux VM. Okay, so you can do everything you will normally do on your graphical interface, okay, with your remote connection. I hope this video was interesting to you. If it was, please like it, share it widely, okay, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.